Hello. This is a new OzzWorld episode. What up? I don't care. Call it what you want. Anyway, Ozzy's gone missing. We need to hurry up and find him before it's too late. That cat chow we had about 3 hours ago is not going to last him forever, you know. Let's start looking. If you hear me clearing my throat a lot, it's because I have this really annoying, well, cold, whatever you want to call it, sickness. Yeah, that made it sound too serious. Whatever. Anyway, let's start looking for Ozzy. Is Ozzy in there? One of his toys are in there, but anyway, out of the way. Is he under the bed? No. Is he over here? Definitely. He's not in the litter box either. Believe me, you do not want to go in there. Is he in his bed? Nothing. Wait, could it be? There he is! He's stuffing his face. Well, he was stuffing his face. But there is Ozzy! Running away now. Well, fans, we've done it. We've found Ozzy. He's safe and sound now. But don't worry. No way am I going to make this episode like 2 minutes and 10 seconds long. I think I got that exactly right with the time. Believe me. Anyway. There we go again. Clearing my throat. Ozzy. Did you all notice something weird about something that just appeared on the screen? Kind of looked like it had knives. Well, Ozzy, thank you for paying attention. Instead, you went to go drink water. And now you're gonna play with the curtain. You are so focused. He's like the Chuck Norris of focusing. Anyway. Ozzy? Ozzy, what's that? What is that? Oh my god! It's Freddy Krueger! Hand. Well, whatever. He's coming to take Ozzy away. Ah! Ozzy beat him by biting his claw knife. Ow! Dummy! Ha! You really think that could beat me? I'm Freddy. Are you ready for Freddy? What are you doing? Hey, get off me! Ow! I feel like a turtle. Get off me! Ah! Bah! Haha! Bah! Ah! You made a scratch. And I'm the one with the knives here. That's not fair. I can tell we're not going to get along very well. Aha, you're scared now, aren't you? This is the time when you should be running away, going, meow! Nothing. Still nothing. Really? Would you get off here? How can you not even move? I have 9 extra fingers, for God's sake. What do I have to do? Put a flamethrower on each of my tips of my fingers? Maybe. Quit biting me! Go away! Urgh. I'm hiding. I'm not in here. I'm not in here. I think it really might not think I'm in here. No, it heard me. Yeah, never mind. I'm not in here. Ah, crap! I'm out of here! You are not a very nice cat. Is all you do chew on things? Alright, abandon shit. Oh no, he's trapped Ozzy. What will he do now? Let's watch. Oh. Uh-oh. Haha, I trapped Ozzy. Don't ask me how I knew his name, I just did. That's right. That's how I work. Ah, crap. Ah, I think I chipped a nail. Don't judge me. That's right, scared now, aren't you? What the? Hey, buddy. I think Freddy's gone. Think again. How can you not even flinch? Boy, I need to sharpen these things. Seriously, still, nothing. Nothing at all. Hey, buddy. Ozzy, what's on your ear? Well, Ozzy, what are you gonna do? How will you escape? You'll never escape. Bang! Ozzy, you did it. Nah. You're mine now, dum-dum. Hey, what are you... That's right, I'm hitting you in the hand. Escape, Ozzy, escape! Say what? He actually escaped? Hey, what the heck? What do you think you're doing? What do you... Hey, stop biting me! Stop it! Stop it! No! 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 Ta-da! Ozzy beat him. Say bye to your fans, Ozzy. Meow. There, that's how he says bye. Yeah.